We'll guide you through how to change your Gmail account settings. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page where you'll see a gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open the Quick Settings menu. From here, you'll want to click on See All Settings at the top of the dropdown. This will take you to the full settings page where you have various tabs and options available. Now, let's start with the General tab. Here, you can change your language preference, modify your default text style, and manage your vacation responder. If you need to manage your inbox type or categories, switch to the Inbox tab. You can choose how your emails are sorted and what categories appear in your inbox. For security settings like enabling two-step verification or changing your recovery options, go to the Accounts and Imports tab. Here, you can also manage how you send mail and import contacts. If you're looking to customize the appearance of your Gmail, head to the Themes tab, where you can select a theme that suits your style. Each tab is filled with options for you to tailor your Gmail experience to your needs, from filters and blocked addresses to forwarding and IMAP settings. Remember to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page after making any adjustments to ensure they're applied. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.